Hi, my name is Cannon, and I build robots. I also break things. Robotics is a great way to teach coding and other tech skills.
Go.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's backwards.
But current robotics kits are really expensive, creating unnecessary cost barriers to the opportunities that STEM has to offer. That's why we at More Technologies created the MoreBot, an affordable, open source educational robot that was made to inspire and empower kids to explore robotics in STEM. Every single part on the MoreBot can be bought at Walmart or 3D printed, so don't worry if you like breaking things too. It's also customizable, meaning you can turn it into whatever you want. And with add-on kits, it can become anything from a drone to an artist.